Go, show Mama how you got out here. How'd that wall get all dirty? Huh? What you been doing with that, Wow? Huh? Give him. Ah! I knew you did.
Ever since discovering this convenient mode of transportation, the bird has refused to use its own strength.
My bitch pose is nasty. Don't ever play with the cat. That elbow.
Hey, boxing is for self-defense, not for bullying the weak, buddy.
He's dragging his legs.
Oh my, this bear is so resilient.
He's dragging his legs.
Ah, never mind. He's just lazy. Frustration over not being able to do something easily is totally understandable, buddy. Compared to other cats, he's quite easygoing guy, isn't he?
Hey. I'm sorry. Hey.
This must be a wonderful moment for both the dog and the owner.
Good boy.
This scene is as epic as something from Avengers Endgame. You got it right. The reason introverts don't like leaving the house. For a dog, every new item is a new toy. You can truly find kindness everywhere and in every creature.
一群鱼在喂食，下面有一群鱼都在这里，太厉害了！
Oh dear, someone seems to have been forced to wake up early for work today.
Pull this leg out. Okay, then pull this. You have to.
Everyone has times when they play dumb like that, right?
Bird. No, okay, now go backwards. Okay, here. No, you have to go backwards. No, you can't walk through that. Look, now just back out.
That corgi must have had a wild night, so that he ended up in the wrong house. Want to know which product is of good quality? Let the horse test it. When you finally get to rest after a tiring day, but are interrupted. At this point, I understand why he has such a body. This dog should enter a talent show. These two birds will definitely make you believe in love more. The process looks professional, but the result is really funny. Mum said I just took a bath and I can't go play in the yard anymore.
Kratos, everybody else is trying to drink.
No, you should say bless you. Is this a special training method to keep the capybara's spirit carefree?
Reese.
Mum said act cute and get cake. Is this cute enough, Mum?
No Oreos for doggies.
Proof that if you are confident, everyone will notice you. When you've been practicing popping for over 180 minutes. Just by looking, can you tell who's having a sweet dream? Definitely. To be fair, we'll switch roles after 30 seconds. Now it's your turn, Rabbit. That feeling when you find your favourite item after you think you lost it a long time ago. Oh, this guy really knows how to make people's hearts skip a beat.
מה קורה לך?
I guess this weather is nothing compared to his broken heart. Well, swimming is tiring, but I need a bigger float.
哎呦，啊！我这生命真是噎死。
Music is truly the language that connects every creature together, isn't it? Watching the antics of these friends really makes you smile, so stay tuned for the next video.